Let's learn body parts in English together. Tongue, lips, mouth, nose, ear, eyes, chin, neck, eyebrows, hair, feet, hands, knees, legs, elbow, arm. Follow for more English videos.